All right, day one. Vacation starts.
Woo!
Are you ready, Sawyer?
Yep.
Yeah. Here we go. Mimi's gonna run, say bye, like we always do. Bye, Mimi. To South Fork, Colorado for our 2020 summer vacation. Here we are on the Rio Grande River. This is our cabin behind us. We haven't been this close to the water in several years, so pretty stoked about it. Tucker, are we ready?
Yeah.
Yeah? You sure? All right. Should be good. Okay, we just finished our first trip on the river. How was it, Sawyer?
It was good.
Yeah? Are you cold?
Yeah.
Butt wet? Thank you for the valiant effort, my friend. Absolutely. Just had a pretty good run, I think, right?
Yeah.
You think it was good?
Uh-huh.
What happened with you? Was it all just easy?
No, it wasn't just all easy. I fell out, and then I tried to get back in, and then my boat flipped.
You couldn't get back in?
Yeah.
And then you almost flipped me over in the kayak as I was pulling you, right? Yeah. It was a little bit scary, but we managed. So here we are now, just chilling in front of the house, having some river sips. And Tucker's trying to go fishing with a rope and a stick. Right there.
Well, I guess it's good.
Probably falls down that right there. Tucker decided to take his shoes off and get across the water over here, but it's too cold or too deep or too fast. All right, we got it?
Yeah.
What happened?
It's too cold.
It's too cold? We just had our last run on the river, South Fork 2020. It was a pretty good ride. Me and Tucker rode together in the kind of tandem boat. I think it was pretty fun. We didn't tip or fall over, right?
Yeah.
Was it fun?
Yeah.
You had a good ride?
Yeah.
Well, you want to go stomp around in the water before we leave?
Yeah.
All right. Sawyer, that was our last day on the river. What do you think?
That was fun.
Yeah, did you have a good ride?
Uh-huh.
Mom said that you didn't think they were gonna make it.
We went backwards like twice, and then there was a couple times we went, whoa, and almost flipped over.
Rio Grande River?
Here we are at the here we are, guys. We're at the Rio South. Here we are at the Rio Grande River in South Fork, Colorado.
Good job.